So we're done, right?
Yep.
Okay, Shah.
Yeah!
Remember when we told you that we're gonna give you something really special as a welcoming bonus to MOBhouse Productions?
What?
The Aegis X and monitor that we just reviewed, remember?
Yeah.
We went to MSI and bought the whole setup, all 10+K of it.
Okay.
And this will be your new workstation and gaming PC for the next year or so.
You know what's the specs of the Aegis X?
Yeah, you just reviewed it, right? It's a 700K and a 1060, right? Pretty good, right?
Do you know what's the graphics card in my PC right now?
I don't know, you told me that you just threw in your old system like...
It's a 1080 Ti graphics card.
What?
You didn't check.
Wait,
you didn't check.
Since when you just upgraded to
You didn't. No, it's not bad. You didn't check.
So what are you trying to say? What are you trying to say?
No, you camera. 1080 Ti versus 1060. Which one is better?
Of course, 1080 Ti.
So
It doesn't matter, right? Right? It doesn't matter. You know what? Since this guy is so freaking ungrateful, we just bought this whole 10+K worth of gear to upgrade him. I didn't know that he bought himself a 1080 Ti because he didn't tell me. I'm gonna take this whole setup and give it away to one of you grateful, loyal, and supporters and subscribers of MOBhouse Productions. Because evidently, one of you out there is gonna be more grateful to receive this, you know, because you don't have one, right? And when Shane from MOBhouse Productions give away something, you don't have to buy anything else. I'm gonna throw in a keyboard and mouse, so you can just use this right away. Nah, take go, okay?
I think it's tomorrow is right now.
Elaine, you pack up first. I'm gonna leave before I sock him in the face.
Now what? I need to go and pee.